Run the tape, let's go, dude. Sunroom, they like started painting it, dude, and then they stopped. My wife wants it yellow and she wants to put a bunch of like plants and stuff out here. What? I think we're gonna make the house green.
That green?
Yeah, we're gonna go algae green.
You already started.
This was so overgrown. You couldn't see the windows. You didn't know that they were front windows. It was really big. We took off the awnings. We cut out all of those. It was huge. Here where all this water, it used to be building up at the foundation. Now we have grading and we're kicking it out so it can go here and it can go down and away. Clean up the yard, put in a new fence, pressure wash the garage and paint it.
What are you doing in my swamp?
Let's start here. We punch in those. It's gonna be a nice little four-way. Gonna replace all these windows. The windows look real bad. Especially in here, this one's got a wasp nest in it.
You like jazz?
Dude, this is a 6 sink that we took out of a really expensive house and it's in really good shape, believe it or not, even though it doesn't look good right now. We're gonna put it in the bathroom. New light fixtures through everything, we always do that. We just finished demoing the bathroom and my boy Elisha,
Look at this dude.
picked out our tile. It's gonna look super baller. We're gonna go with stacked tile. The color oat, yeah, like a light tan.
Like
Oats.
Meal.
Yeah, oatmeal.
Oatmeal.
So we're gonna tile the floor, tile the walls. Gonna leave the cast iron tub because it's in really good shape. Ripped out all these, at least up to here, and we're gonna go board and batten. Toilet stays. The floors low-key look good. We're gonna stain them a darker brown, a firm John Wayne brown.
A warm yellow.
Oh, no yellow. No, brown. We knocked out this wall. There was a wall here and a door into your kitchen. Made no sense. I don't know who designed it. We're gonna go fridge, sink, some island, countertop, stove, tile all the way up to the ceiling with some floating shelves and a black range. This is the creme de la creme. Creme de la creme. The creme de la creme. The basement sucked. There was oil stains from the oil drum that had hundreds of gallons of oil in it. It smelled really bad. So we ripped it all out. We're gonna put some waterproofing and stuff on the edges. Punched in these windows. You can tell it was kind of a little dungeony. We took this wall out. This will be a bedroom. Technically, we'll have a little closet right here. Wing. Although my wife wants us to put a bathroom right there, I don't think it'll fit. Yeah, dude, she's crazy. I didn't mean that. Cut that. You have to have a form of egress in a basement to count as a bedroom, yes. The code is it's gotta be 44 inches from the finished surface. So we measure down, we cut, boom. So we're gonna have a laundry room right here, countertop, washer, dryer. Scrape all this, paint it so it looks good. We'll hit it with kills. Normally to sell a house, like if you're buying an FHA house, they don't want any chipping paint anyway. So we'll just take a scraper, just. Dude, nice shoes, man. Your boots are like really like, they make me like jealous.
Yeah, boy.